From first-time buyers to seasoned tournament anglers, Angler's Choice Marine has got you covered. Start your adventures with a brand new Bass Tracker or Sun Tracker bass buggy for just $5 a day. Looking for something with a bit more power? Grab a new Nitro for as low as $7 a day. Or own a premium Ranger for only $10 a day. With 30 years of experience, trust Angler's Choice Marine, a certified dealer of Ranger, Triton, Tracker, Sun Tracker, Nitro, and Tahoe boats. Plus, enjoy a 5-year gold warranty with every purchase. Hurry in! This incredible offer ends at the end of October. Catch this deal before it's gone at Angler's Choice Marine.
11?
Yeah.
1-1? Yeah.
Yep. Up. 1 o'clock.
Yes, sir.
3 fish.
You got it.
Good morning, everybody. Welcome back. Today I am fishing a Tuesday morning derby, so 7 to 1 p.m. My goal is to move every 20 minutes till I find fish. Something I've noticed as far as me lacking skill in tournament fishing is not moving enough. I'm trying to chase them down, so it's my goal for the day. It's 7:04. We got to be at weigh in at 1 p.m. It's a 3 fish limit. I think we need like 11 pounds to win, so that's our goal. 11 pounds. 11 pounds. Starting off on a little main lake point with a gut. There's a little bit of grass here, and there's more grass leading out to that main lake part. See some suspended fish here. Got so much random junk hooked up right now. It's a mix between fish in the res and the James River. All the res stuff should work here pretty good. So, game plan for the day is jump around a bunch, as I said just a second ago. I'm going to be focusing mainly offshore. Obviously going to hit some shallow stuff as well, but I think with it being September, here in Virginia, the fish are starting to move up shallow, but I think the majority of the offshore fish are probably going to be a little easier to catch. Also, this lake is like pretty darn clear, and the water's still warm. It's 76 degrees right now. Ooh. It's a freaking catfish. Yep. Spot number 2, no good. We're only here at this one for 13 minutes. It's crazy how fast time goes. This one's a bass. Oh, it's a decent one too. Probably 2 pounds. Got quite a few of them there on that little brush pile off of this point. Oh, 3-pounder. 287. Throwing a drop shot with a robo worm. Throwing the Folkstead Special. I throw a robo worm on a drop shot probably 95% of the time. Quite a few fish on that one piece of cover out there on the back side of this windy point. Gonna make a few more casts. Keep going. Fishing a brush pile at the end of a point right now. Quite a few fish in it. Threw the Demiki rig over it. Got him to chase it, but no bites. And that was even after I downsized the head. I had a heavier one on because the other day I was fishing at the res and they're a little bit deeper. I also think that this cleaner water, that lighter, more natural fall, might get him to bite, but I don't know. Seems like they're liking the drop shot. I'm not gonna mess with it. Let's just get the limit. Dang it. Just had another one there. They're right under the freaking boat. Alright, that's the limit. Hey, relax. Oh, I threw my weight too. Smallest one of the three, but probably got 6 pounds. All right, so we got a limit right now of the 3 fish, a little over 6 pounds, and everything on our drop shot. If they're in top water, Demiki rig, drop shot so far, and an underspin. The only thing they're paying any attention to is the little drop shot. So gonna rig it back up, make sure the line's all good, hooks are good, and now we need to catch some big ones. I just retied my line and I forgot I caught that catfish first thing in the morning and there was still slime on it, and I went to wet the knot and that was disgusting. Ugh. $9.04. Moving to spot number 5. White perch. 9:30. Just idled across a couple main lake points till I found some brush. Looks like there's quite a few fish on the front side of it, sitting up pretty high. No dice. Is it stuck? Oh. Way out there. 22 feet. Healthy guy. Drop shot. Main lake point. That's a culp for sure. 1022. Not a bad one. Oh yeah, gives us like 3/4 of a pound. We got 7 pounds and change. Keep trying the Demiki or shaking the minnow deal. It's just not working today. I've had one bite, but I'm not exactly sure what those fish are sitting on off on this point. It kind of looks like a hard spot. Maybe there's a couple stumps or something, but they're hugging the bottom pretty good, and it's about 20 feet. It looked like there was a couple more. 10:51. Small one. Little guy. On the Demiki, suspended way off at this point. Not gonna help, but always nice to pull up and make the first cast and catch one. It's 11:52. We got about an hour left. I'm just gonna stick fishing main lake points with brush and probably try to hit a couple docks too by the time this thing's over. not going to help. 12.25. Oh, that one might help a little. Didn't look that big. He might. Oh, he does. Pretty close, but he's like a quarter pound. Oh, buddy, quarter pound heavier. All right. We'll take it. All right, time to go. So I went back to the marina, weighed in, and out of the 12 teams, I finished in 4th place with 7.31 pounds. First place was 897, second was 774, and third was 7.5. So I wasn't too far out of the money, and overall I feel like I fished really well, and staying on my toes and trying to jump around every 20 minutes or quicker really helped me throughout the day. It's something that I know that I lack experience in tournaments, and I think that it hurts my game, especially when the fishing is tough. So I'm going to continue to try and stay on top of that and move around a lot more. And even if I'm around fish, if they're not biting, you have to leave them and go find some that are. These tournaments are actually going to go on through fall. So if you're looking for a random Tuesday morning 7 to 1, come to Sturgeon Creek Marina at Lake Anna, and I hope to see you there. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you hit that subscribe button for me. We'll see you on the next one.